Hi, I'm Jonathan Rosenfeld, and I'm a car accident attorney in Chicago. Over the past few years, we've had a rash of particularly cold and snowy winters in springs and falls. During our 9 months of blustery, snowy weather, we regularly see a lot of auto accidents where weather may be a factor in the crash. One of the things that drivers and insurance companies try to do in these situations is to blame the weather for these collisions. While it may be easier to pass blame on the weather than accept responsibility, blaming the weather for a crash is not a strong defense. Regardless of the weather and road conditions, drivers have a legal duty to avoid hitting other motorists, pedestrians, and cyclists who may be sharing the road. This is an unassignable duty and applies to almost every driving condition: snow, ice, sleet, or black ice. In order to reduce the likelihood of a crash during wintry conditions, drivers should implement the following. Number 1, slow down. Driving slower gives drivers more time to react when they encounter a patch of snow or ice, and also gives them more opportunity to regain control if they lose control. Number 2, increase the distance between vehicles. With more distance between vehicles, drivers give themselves more distance to brake on an icy roadway. Number 3, use headlights. Even during the daytime, headlights allow drivers to spot icy patches on the road and also allows other drivers to see them. Number 4, maintain tires. Worn or poorly inflated tires lessen the braking capacity of vehicles and disable their stopping capacity. Number 5, disable cruise control. Drivers should maintain full control of their vehicles when driving in poor conditions. If you or a family member was injured in an auto accident on a road or highway in the Chicagoland area during poor weather, don't let the other driver tell you the crash was unavoidable. Give me a call or schedule an appointment and we can discuss your options for filing a claim or lawsuit. If you have additional questions about car accidents or other aspects of personal injury law, please leave a comment below as we get ideas for upcoming videos from your input. Until next time, drive safely.